Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna need a couple products here, not that many, but like just the basics. We're gonna need mascara, we're gonna need eyelash glue. I like using the duo brush on adhesive with the vitamins. I really love this glue. I feel like it really like makes my lashes stick. And then I'm gonna be taking this ColourPop BFF liquid liner in black. And of course, you're gonna need the lashes you're gonna be using. I'm gonna be taking out these lashes by ColourPop, and they're in the style Chick. They look like this. These are really pretty. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by doing liner on my lash band, because this will really help you like blend in the band from the eyelash, the actual eyelashes, to your natural like band. And then if you like kind of glue it up a little bit on top, you won't be able to tell that much just because you will have that liner already there. So what I usually do is I'll start off from the inner corner and just start lining it as close as possible to my natural lash band. And this is gonna be like a guide to basically show me where my the lashes are actually like sit on. It should look something like this. Alright, so now that you have the liner down, obviously you guys could see that like my actual lashes have some powder on it, just because I do my foundation first and powder and all that first, so then obviously powder's gonna land on my lashes. So obviously I want to put on mascara before eyelashes. I do not like to put on mascara after like putting on the lashes, just because I feel like the lashes like change in a while. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I really do recommend you putting on mascara first. Even just a little light layer, that's it. All you need is, well, all I do is just like put enough just to cover up like the powder that I have on there, and then that's it. So all I'm gonna do is take this ColourPop BFF mascara, and I'm just gonna do literally one light layer just to knock off all those powders. And I do put the mascara like all the way down as close as possible to the root. Alright, so the next step obviously after this is just now applying the lashes, but of course you want to go ahead and cut them if they are too long. The way you do this is you literally just place it on your eyelash right here, right on top, and then if you see if it's like too dragging out one way or the other, always pull it like a little bit this way and cut off from the end. Don't cut off from the front because it'll really mess up the shape. The end, they always make it a little bit longer in case you need to cut it off. And obviously sometimes they do have like the little lash band sticking up from the front. Cut that off, but just don't cut off the actual lash from the front if you need to like make it smaller. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the lash glue on the lash band. And I put on like a good layer, not too thin and not too thick, because you want it to dry down good and even. So make sure when you put it on the lash band, it's all coated evenly. There's not like more clumps on one, there's not more clumps on one side than the other. And that will really help it all dry evenly, so you don't have to like, you know, mess up and stuff like that. And then just wait for it to get like dry. This specific glue, you'll start seeing it will get like more darker. So the darker it gets, I mean the more like tackier it's starting to get. Okay, so now that I see that it's getting pretty tacky, I'm gonna grab it with some of these tweezers. You could use like regular tweezers too, or your fingers, but I like find using some of these tweezers, it's like makes it really more easier because it holds it in place. I'll grab a little mirror and just hold it down here, and I'll look down. Don't look up, look down. And I'll start placing like literally, like I'll start measuring from like right here, the inner corner and the outer corner, and then making sure it's like right in the center. And then I apply the center first, then I do the inner corner, push it down, and then this side right here as well. Then I do the outer corner last, and then I start, once it's on in the middle, it'll be way easier for you to push it down, fix it, whatever you need to do. So you see there's one lash down. Obviously make sure it's not poking you. If it's poking you, take it off and redo it just until you feel everything feels fine. I always like to go in with my hand and just like push it in really good. That way, like, if I slip my finger, if it pokes my eye, it won't hurt as much as like getting a tweezer and pushing it really hard and then poking your eye. So I like to just grab it all and push it in. I like to like blink, so it really pushes down the lash into my eye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So like I said, just start aligning it while you're like starting to place it. Look down and corner, and then the middle. Push it down in the middle. And then go in the inner corner. And then on the outer corner. And then use your hand to push it in. And there's the other lash. Alright guys, so this is the final look on the lashes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, leave down a comment what other videos you guys want me to see, and I'll be more than happy to, like, you know, start doing them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow all my social media. They're all at Makeup by Laguera. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.